Now we can discuss about concentration or dressing of the ore or enrichment of the ore. What is the meaning for concentration or dressing of the ore or enrichment of the ore? Concentration or dressing or enrichment of the ore means we can remove, we can remove, we can remove waste material or we can remove sand, soil, water, small stones, dust from ore by the using of or usage of physical methods, physical methods like hand picking, washing, fractionation, magnetic separation, that is called as concentration or dressing or enrichment of the ore. Once again we will discuss that is we can remove sand, soil, small stones or pebbles, dust from ore by the using of or usage of physical methods. Like we can use it for physical methods. Those are first one is hand picking, second one is washing, third one is fractionation, fourth one is magnetic separation. That is called as concentration or dressing of the ore or enrichment of the ore. In this methods all belongs to which methods? Physical methods. Like here we can observe very important one mark question. Define gangue or gang. Gangue or gang. Gangue or gang. Here we can observe gangue or gang means. Here we can observe gangue or gang means the impurities are present in the ore. The impurities. The impurities are present in the ore. Present in the ore. The impurities are present in the ore. See, here we can observe gangue or gang means the impurities are present in the ore. That is called as gangue or gang. It is very important definition. Gangue or gang means the impurities are present in the ore. We can call as gangue or gang. Here, gangue or gang is present in the form of soil or sand and maybe dust and maybe pebbles, small stones. These all are the examples for gang. These all are the examples for a gang. Where gang is present in the ore. In this concentration or dressing of the ore process, we can use it to remove gang from the ore. To remove gang from the ore. All of understood students? Gang is present in the ore. It is removed from the ore by the use of physical method. That is called as a concentration or dressing of the ore, children. Okay, this is called about gang. And the examples for gang like in the form of soil, sand, dust, small stones. Different type of gangs or different type of form of gangs are present in the ore. These gang is removed from the ore by the use of physical method. That is called as a concentration or dressing of the ore. Now first process we can follow. First process is, and generally concentration or dressing of the ore and follows four types of process. First one is hand picking. Already we can discuss in these four types of process. Those are first one is hand picking. What is the meaning for hand picking? Hand picking means we can remove the gang from the ore or we can easily separate the ore and gang by the usage of our hands. With our hands, we can easily remove the gang from the ore, or we can easily remove the ore from the gang. This process is called as hand picking. process is called as a hand picking. For example, in our daily life situation, we can observe separation of vegetables in a carry bag and separation of fruits in a carry bag and separation of small stones or pebbles from rice and dal. Rice and dal. That is called as the hand picking process. That is called as the hand picking process. Hand picking means the separation of the separation of the separation of gang or gang or from or mixture from or mixture from or mixture with the help of our hands. With the help of our hands. The separation of gangue or from the ore mixture with the help of our hands, we can call as hand picking. We can call as a hand picking. It is mainly based on size, shape and color of the, it is mainly depends on size, shape, color of the ore or a gang particle. Color of the ore or a gang particle we can easily separate it in this hand picking process. Hand picking process. The separation of gang or a ore from ore mixture with the help of our hands based on size, shape, color of the ore or a gang particle. Color of the ore or a gang particle. This process is called as a hand picking. In hand picking, we can observe in our daily life situation. Example, in our daily life situation, we can observe separation of small stones or small pebbles from dal or rice. It is the one example. And second example is separation of mixture of vegetables or separation of mixture of fruits. These all are the examples for a hand picking process. And the second one we can follow is washing. Here washing method, washing nothing but a crushed ore is taken. What is the meaning for washing? We can easily remove the gang with the help of flow of water. With the help of flow of water, it is mainly depends on density of ore or density of gang particle. Density of ore or density of gang particle. It is called as washing or hydraulic washing. In this washing method, we can take it as a crushed ore is taken in a vessel or taken on a floor and passed through hydraulic water. Low dense substance or low dense particles. Low dense particles means either gang or ore. Either gang or ore. Like a gang particles. Low dense particles separated with water. And Hydings particle. Hydings particle. Hydings particle. Present on the floor. Present on the floor. In this washing method mainly depends on density. Mainly depends on density. Once again we can discuss about these two. One is hand picking. Hand picking method is available or it is used for the separation of gang ore or ore from the ore mixture with the help of our hands based on which basin, size, shape, color. In this hand picking process is mainly depends on size, shape, color. But in this washing method is mainly depends on density. Which one? Which one, children? Washing method mainly depends on density. Density of the ore or density of the gang. Which one has more density? It is settled on the or present on the floor, and which one has low density? It is floated with water. Floated with the water. This is called as a washing method. Washing method, here we can take it as crushed ore. Crushed ore is taken in a vessel or on floor and passed through a hydraulic water. Low density particles separated with water and high density particles is present on the floor. Present on the floor. It is mainly depends on density of the ore or density of the gang particle. It is the washing method, children. These two are examples for concentration or dressing of the ore process. And in this washing method we can observe in our daily life situation, like washing off our clothes and washing off our cloth. And next one we can follow very important one, cleaning of our motorbikes and cars. And next one, cleaning of rice or cleaning of dal and cleaning of vegetables. Those all are the examples for washing method. Those all are the examples for washing method. And next one we can follow some very important methods. Two methods are present. Those are, first one is fractionation and next one is magnetic separation. Next, third process is fractionation. This fractionation process, where we can observe in this fractionation process. In generally, in this fractionation process is used for the separation of sulfide ore. The separation of sulfide ore. Here we can observe one diagram. We can draw one diagram. It is a very important diagram for 4 marks. The combination of two diagrams 4 marks. They will give 4 marks. Those are, first one is fractionation process and the second one is magnetic separation. Second one is magnetic separation. First one is fractionation and the second one is magnetic separation. Fractionation and next one magnetic separation. Here fractionation is also belongs to physical method. It is not a chemical method. It is also belongs to physical method. It is also belongs to physical method. Or here we can take as a flotation tank. In those flotation tank is filled with a crushed ore is taken. In this process mainly we can use it for sulfide ore. In this process mainly we can use it for sulfide ore. See, here we can observe a sulfide ore is taken. A crushed 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 sulfide ore is taken. Here we can take as crushed sulfide ore. Okay, this is called as fractionation. Fractionation, and it is a fractionation tank. And here we can take it as compressed air. We can pass through compressed air, and it is a froth bubbles, and it is also called as sulfide ore. Sulfide ore bubbles, and here water plus cyanide, and here we can observe this is called as gangue, and it is a flotation tank. Flotation tank. See, fractionation. Fractionation is absorbed in these compressed air. And next one, froth bubbles, parts, water plus cyanide. Next, flotation tank. Next, gangue. Next one, gangue. Here in this fractionation process is highly used for sulfide ore. The concentration of which ore? Sulfide ore. The concentration of sulfide ore. Concentration of sulfide ore. Here we can use in this fractionation process. We can use it for sulfide ore. Here we can take it as a crushed sulfide ore. A crushed sulfide ore is taken. A crushed sulfide ore is taken in a flotation tank. In a flotation tank. Flotation tank. In this method, in these sulfide ore or froth bubbles. Sulfide ore or froth bubbles is a wet bubbles or froth bubbles are wet phenomena, and water plus cyanide and gangue is it is a dry substance. Froth bubbles or sulfide ore is a dry substance, and gangue is a wet. Gangue is a wet. Why gangue is a wet? It is present in bottom of the vessel. It is present in the bottom of the vessel. In this fractionation process, we can use it for which ore? Sulfide ore. A crushed sulfide ore is taken in a flotation tank, and flotation tank contains water plus cyanide. Water plus cyanide. when we can pass through, when we can